Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Now, in today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing the Mars Gravastar Sirius Pro P5 earbuds. As you can see here. Now, I started to be reviewing these earbuds is previously we did the Sirius P5 earbuds, as you can see just here, and found to be an exceptional pair of earbuds. You see, not only was the sound good, the functionality was great, but also the design. You could switch the cases over, and it was fantastic. It was really great to use. So today we're going to be reviewing the Mars Sirius Pro P9 earbuds, as you can see here. Now, again, the case looks fantastic. It really does look beautiful. You can open up the case here, the earbud comes out, and as you can see the earbuds there. Great design. So we're going to be unboxing it so you can see what comes in the packet. We're going to be taking a look at the case. We're going to look at some of the functions, how the earbuds actually work. We're going to test out the sound. You see, it has music, movie, and gaming mode, which is really, really good, depending on what you want to use. It's IPX5 water rated. Comes with 4 hours charging, another 3 times that in the case. The actual functions are really, really good. You can change the music and functions in the earbuds, but most of all is the design. You see, if you take that off there and put it in there, you've got the RGB light that comes on. There's 6 RGB lights that you can use in it. It really is beautiful. It's a good weight as well, and the Bluetooth connection is very good. It's quite good for calls as well, but so in the review, I'm going to go jump in and take a look at it, but you're going to find why the Sirius Pro P9 earbuds really are fantastic. And again, Gravastar have done a fantastic job. Check out the Mars Pro speaker, check out the Sirius P5 earbuds, and have a look and let us know what you think. Again, there's links below if you wish to purchase these, but I can't wait to jump in and review these. So let's jump in and look at it now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Okay, so now we're taking an unboxing of the Gravastar Sirius Pro earbuds. Really excited to be looking at these. Now, straight away, look at this beautiful case. Look at that. Doesn't it look fantastic? Now, the guys have done fantastic in their design of these cases. Much like the last earbuds we reviewed from Gravastar, these really, really are nice. And as you can see, the case feels really good quality. And I just love the style. And to open up, you just literally click open the case there and open them up. Look at that. So here are the earbuds in the case. We'll go back and look at the instruction book shortly. So here they are here now. Look at that zinc or alloy case. It really does feel nice. It feels heavy as well. Really, really good quality. There's the USB-C charging port just there. And there's the earbuds. Now you can also use this as a bottle opener, would you believe? You can use that to open up a beer can if you want. Mr. Yoo-Hoo does like to have his drinks. So there's the Sirius P9 logo there as well. So to open them up, you just press the button there and open them up. Now watch what happens when I pull the earbuds out as well. Look at the lights that come on. So see that light coming on there? So there's an LED light built in, which comes on when you charge them as well. So it's got 6 different colors it comes on. So as there's the magnetic clips as well. So you put on there, it clips in like that, nice and easy. Now let's go and have a look at the actual earbuds themselves. So here they are. Now they weigh about 6 grams each, these earbuds. There they are there. And again, look at that beautiful design of the earbuds. It looks really, really nice. And there is the speakers on each of them, as you can see there. Now again, as you take these out of the box, they're very, very easy to pair. Now these earbuds have around 4 hours battery life in earbuds. The case gives you 3 times that as well, so once you charge them, it takes around 2 hours to charge as well. Now these are also packed with 7.2mm drivers as well, which means they are very, very great with music. The earbuds also come with 3 different modes as well. So they come with wireless Bluetooth mode, so they come with the gaming mode, which gives you 5.1 surround sound and 65 ms latency. It also comes with film mode and also music mode as well. So we're going to be testing those modes out shortly so you can see how they work. But look at that case. I mean, the thing with Gravastar is they are the absolute leaders in the design for earbuds and headphones. They really are beautiful. Let's go back and have a look at what else comes in the case. So here we are taking a look at this. So if we open this up, we've got the instruction booklet just here. So you can go through different details about how to use earbuds and what to do with them. We also have the different ear tips as well. Now, if you want, I'll try and get them out. So obviously, if you want different ear tips, if I want to fit into your ears, you can do these different ones. And also here, you've got this chain as well, which you can actually put around your neck, which I think is a really nice addition. Let me have a look. See there? And it weighs quite heavy too. And there's a little ringlets on there as well. So you could put that over your neck, which Mr. Yoo-Hoo likes to do. It's quite a big, thick chain as well, which I think is a nice addition. You've got USB-C charging cable just there as well. And there's the different wingtips. But really is, again, fantastic packaging, fantastic quality. It looks really, really good. So it's also IPX5 as well. There's earbuds too. which is really, really good. So, yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go and jump in and actually go and check out and see how we actually turn on and operate these earbuds. But as you can see just here, there is the Mars Sirius Pro P9 earbuds. They really are a beautiful set of earbuds. Well, how easy are the Mars Sirius Pro P9 earbuds to set up? Well, they're really, really easy. You see, just take them out of the case like so and pop them into the ears, just like that. Now, what they do is they pair automatically, which means you go to your phone, you search the Mars Sirius Pro, connect them, and they connect automatically. They're really, really easy. Now, the great thing is straight away you can feel how comfortable they are in the ears. So, as you can see there, they fit really well in the ears and they've got a great seal. Now, they're only about 6 grams each earbud, which means they don't weigh too much. They feel a good seal in my ears with the ear cups they come with. Now, the great thing is you can actually control it with the earbuds. So if you press on the earbud here, you could change to music mode, which gives greater bass, greater treble. You can hear them a lot better. You can press it also to go to movie mode as well. So you can listen to movies without having any lag. And you can also go into gaming mode as well, which is great if you want to compete in gaming and have that kind of emphasis what you do. But they fit really, really well. So the great thing is, again, the IPX5 water rated, which means if you get a bit of splash of water on them, they're not going to get affected. 4 hours in the earbuds as well. Battery life is really, really good as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these out with music as well. Also, the Bluetooth works quite well. It goes to about 10 to 12 meters with the Bluetooth. Sounds really, really good. And they're built really well. The design is great. Now, if you can see the symbol on there too, it looks really, see just there, the symbol, it looks really nice. They fit really well. So you can also change tracks by double pressing that side. You can press that side as well to increase the volume. They work excellently. So yeah, we're going to go now and have a look at the sound, so we can look at how good the actual music is. But we're really going to enjoy using them.
Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything.
So sorry guys, I got caught up in the music then. As you could see, it sounded really good. You see the beats are very, very well pronounced. It's got a very, very subtle sound stage, which means that the vocals are clear, the treble's great, and it really brings you into the music. And you see, the great thing with the Sirius Pro P9 earbuds is they sound very, very good, which is great for such a great sounding earbuds. Now, I listened to Guns N' Roses' November Rain. You could really hear the music crescendo and go up and down again. Listen to a bit of dance music as well. Now, the bass isn't too overbearing. You can hear it in there. If you want really bass-heavy earbuds, I probably want to go for these. They do sound good, though. To be honest, I don't like too much bass in my music because it kind of takes away from the sound a lot of the time. Also played a bit of classical music as well. You could really hear the crescendo going up and all the orchestra coming in. Now, I want to use these as well, gaming, on my Xbox. Works really well as well. I could take on people in Modern Warfare game. It was great. And also movie mode as well. I watched Star Wars in these as well, and you could hear the Empire attacking all over you. It was really, really good. So, you know, they sound really good as well. I also made a phone call on them as well, and they sounded quite good. It was very crisp. They could hear me okay. If you're going to be using video conferencing or call conferencing all the time, I probably won't use them, to be honest, just because they're good for calls, but they're not specialized for calls. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, really, really good headphones, great sounding for music. Okay, wow, guys. Well, what did you think? Well, the Mars Sirius Pro P9 earbuds really are fantastic. As you can see, the design, the function, the sound, the music are all exceptional, and they really are great value for money, which you get. And again, the great thing with Gravastar is they really are leaders in design. You see, very rarely do you get such a nice pair of earbuds that look the way they do. And everything from the case, through to the earbuds, through to the chain that you get from them, they really do go out of their way to make sure they look good. And, you know, these are going to be earbuds I'm going to be using for going on. The comfort of them, again, is fantastic. The functions in the ears are good. And also using the gaming mode and movie mode, there's so little latency as well that you can't even notice. I watched movies and the word was word perfect, so it's great. So really, really good. I recommend you guys get these. There's links if you should purchase below. Check out our other Gravastar videos as well, the Mars Pro speaker and the Sirius P5, and let us know what you think of the Mars Sirius Pro P9 earbuds, but really are fantastic earbuds. Also check out our other earbud reviews if you guys like as well. But yeah, Thanks again for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.